Tattoo artists, what is your most are you sure tattoo you've been asked to do? A guy came into the shop I work at wanting a cover-up of a previous regrettable tattoo. Pretty normal until he casually mentioned it's on his D and it's a red rocket. None of the dudes in the shop wanted to cover it up or even see it. The only person who stepped up was one of the female artists. She was like, I don't think I have a dick tattoo for my portfolio, so F it, let's cover it up. The only possible way to cover it up was to add so much black work, so she freehand drew a tuxedo onto a schlong. He was screaming his ass off while he was getting it done. Getting a tattoo on your D is probably the most painful place to get one besides your balls. Maybe, but dude ended up with a dapper D and he was happy with it. Weirdest day at work ever.